We're trying grapes today. We seem to like the taste, but not the texture. And yet we keep picking them up and putting them in our mouth. So something must be right, huh? I think you've got a little something on your shirt. Oh. What happened? You're supposed to eat the grape.
What happened, Mama?
She keeps spitting it out. Well, you seem happy. Are you happy, baby? Jin. Oh, the happy girl. Oh, yep. Whack 'em out. That's the first step to making wine. You want to have any more, or are you all done with the grapes? Want to try more? We almost have pincer grasp. Can you show us your pincer grasp? No. Oh, yep. Oh, almost. Yeah, there we go. You can do it. You can do it. They're a bit slimy. We got the, oh, almost. We got the grape. Oh, yummy. Ah. No. We're getting there. It's such a curious sensation to have food in your mouth, huh? But we're getting there. Hey.